Hey guys, welcome back. In this episode, we will cook a delicious seafood paella. So let's get to it. First, we clean and dice a white onion. We do the same with the red pepper. When done, we clean and dice a few cloves of garlic. Next step, we prepare the mussels. We will take the meat out from the shells. We just leave a few mussels intact for presentation. We add some extra virgin olive oil in a pan on medium heat. And we season it with some salt. Next, we dilute the saffron in lukewarm water. We mix it in and we put it aside for a few minutes. We dilute it to ensure that it spreads evenly in the pan. When done, we sear the onion along with the garlic. We continue by adding the diced red pepper. We sear it for a few minutes and we add the tomatoes. We use peeled good quality tomatoes. We season with smoked paprika and freshly ground black pepper. We give it a good mix and we add a good amount of white rice. We mix it in and we pour the diluted saffron on top. While our meal cooks, we add some green beans, a generous amount of prawns, the mussels, and some chicken stock. We cook it until the rice is fully done and it starts to stick to the bottom of the pan. We don't stir it, we just check with a fork if it sticks. Our seafood paella is done. We finish it with some fresh parsley and this delicious recipe is ready to eat. We simply love this recipe. Try it out and let us know what you think in the comments below. If you enjoy our content, then hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.